Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going on an exciting adventure, a journey into the world of organic farming where nature takes center stage and innovation meets tradition. Have you ever wondered what goes into producing the food we eat? What are the farming practices that bring the fresh fruits, vegetables, and other goodies to our plates? It is the method of growing crops and raising animals that relies on natural processes and inputs rather than synthetic ones. In simple terms, it means farming in harmony with nature. You see, healthy soil is the foundation of successful organic farming. Unlike conventional farming, which often relies on synthetic fertilizers to boost plant growth, organic farmers focus on building soil fertility naturally. You'll notice a variety of plants growing together in a mix that mimics nature's own ecosystems. This practice, known as intercropping, involves planting different crops together rather than in monocultures. For example, farmers might grow tomatoes, carrots, onions, and basil all in the same field, nature's recycling system. Not only does this mimic the diversity of plants found in natural habitats, but it also offers several benefits. Firstly, it helps control pests and diseases. Keeping it diverse and balanced, each year a different group of plants takes center stage, ensuring that the soil doesn't get too tired of hosting the same crop over and over again. This practice organic farmers prioritize the health and happiness of their animals, treating them with respect and care. They provide spacious living conditions that allow animals to roam, graze, and express their natural behaviors. Organic farmers celebrate the diversity of nature and believe in preserving the natural genetic makeup of plants and animals. They do not use seeds that have been genetically engineered in laboratories. Instead, they rely on traditional breeding methods to develop new varieties of crops. This approach ensures that each variety is adapted to its environment and retains its unique characteristics. Organic farmers work tirelessly to produce food that is not only free from harmful chemicals, but also nourishes both the body and the soul. Their commitment to preserving the environment, enhancing soil fertility, and promoting animal welfare is evident in every bite. So the next time you enjoy a piece of fresh fruit or a homegrown vegetable, take a moment to appreciate the organic farmers who are cultivating a better, healthier future for us all. By avoiding GMOs, organic farmers preserve the natural balance of ecosystems and reduce the risk of unintended consequences that may arise from genetic manipulation. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the inner workings of organic farms and the passionate individuals behind it all. If you're as excited about organic farming as we are, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Together, we can support a more sustainable and nourishing future for everyone. See you in the next video. Unlike conventional farming, organic standards prohibit the use of antibiotics and growth hormones, ensuring that animals are not subjected to unnecessary medication or unnatural substances. Additionally, organic livestock are fed a balanced diet consisting of organic feed, promoting their overall health and well-being. By prioritizing animal welfare, organic farmers not only enhance the quality of life for their furry, feathered, and skilled friends, but also contribute to a more sustainable and ethical farming system. This involves planning what crops they avoid practices that degrade the soil, such as tilling, which can lead to erosion. Instead, they often use conservation tillage methods that leave crop residues in the soil, protecting it from wind and water erosion. Additionally, organic farmers are mindful of water usage, employing techniques like drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the roots of plants, reducing waste and evaporation. By embracing sustainability, organic farmers ensure that their farming practices not only meet the needs of the present, but also safeguard the environment for future generations. This will be planted in a particular field from one season to the next. For instance, a field that grew corn last year might grow vegetables this year, followed by cover crops in the next season. Crop rotation offers several benefits. First, it helps break pest cycles. By rotating crops, pests and diseases associated with specific plants don't have a chance to build up in the soil. Second, it improves soil fertility. Different crops have different nutrient requirements, And by rotating them, farmers can avoid depleting the soil of essential nutrients. Additionally, crop rotation helps control weeds. Some crops like cover crops are specifically grown to suppress weed growth, making it easier for the main crops to thrive. However, organic farmers have a natural approach to pest management that minimizes the use of synthetic pesticides. Instead of relying on harsh chemicals, they enlist the help of nature's own army of defenders. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings are encouraged to make their home on the farm as they feed on harmful pests. Additionally, organic farmers may use techniques like companion planting, where they grow certain plants together to repel pests. By fostering this natural balance, organic farmers reduce pest populations while preserving the health of the ecosystem and the crops. Nature's recycling system, where scraps and waste are transformed into a nutrient-rich treasure for plants. On an organic farm, food scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials are collected and composted. This creates a nutrient-rich material that is then applied to the fields as fertilizer. Composting not only reduces waste, but also minimizes the need for synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment. The compost adds valuable nutrients to the soil, improving its fertility and structure over time. Plus, it helps retain moisture, making the soil more resilient during dry spells. By mixing crops, organic farmers reduce the likelihood of a pest or disease outbreak that could wipe out a whole field. Secondly, it enhances soil fertility as different plants have different nutrient requirements and contribute to the soil in various ways. For instance, legumes such as basil are excellent at fixing nitrogen, a crucial nutrient for plant growth. Enlisting nature's help. Lastly, biodiversity on organic farms supports beneficial insects, birds, and wildlife. These creatures not only add to the beauty of the farm, but also play a vital role in pollination and pest control. They do this by adding organic matter such as compost, which improves soil structure, water retention, and nutrient content. This natural approach not only nourishes the plants, but also promotes a thriving ecosystem of microorganisms and fungi that further enhance soil fertility. These synthetic substances, commonly used in conventional agriculture, can have negative impacts on the environment, human health, and the very soil they are meant to improve. That's why organic farmers turn to natural alternatives. They rely on compost, manure, and cover crops to fertilize their fields, providing nutrients that enhance soil fertility without the use of harsh chemicals. Additionally, they encourage the presence of beneficial insects, birds, and other natural predators that help control pests, reducing the need for pesticides. By choosing natural methods, organic farmers minimize the environmental footprint of their operations while ensuring healthy and sustainable food production. These tiny helpers convert organic matter into plant nutrients, making them available to the crops while also increasing the soil's ability to resist pests and diseases. By prioritizing soil health, organic farmers create a self-sustaining ecosystem that reduces the need for external inputs. Instead of using artificial fertilizers and pesticides, organic farmers use natural alternatives like compost, crop rotation, and beneficial insects. They take a holistic approach considering the entire farm ecosystem, including the soil, plants, animals, and the environment as a whole. Well, today we're pulling back the curtain to see what really happens on organic farms. We'll explore the inner workings, discover the magic behind organic practices, and find out how this way of farming benefits not only the environment, but us humans too. What is organic farming? First off, let's talk about what organic farming actually is. The power of chemical-free soil. The heart of organic farming lies in its emphasis on the health and fertility of the soil, biodiversity, the key to resilience. Organic farms are biodiversity hotspots, bustling with life both above and below the ground. Just take a look at a typical organic field. Say no to synthetic fertilizers and pesticides in the realm of organic farming. Synthetic fertilizers and pesticides take a backseat as nature takes the lead. Composting, crop rotation. Crop rotation is like a game of musical chairs for plants on an organic farm. Natural pest management, dealing with pests, is a constant challenge for farmers. Animal welfare, happy animals, healthy farm. In the realm of organic farming, animal welfare takes center stage. No to GMOs, celebrating nature's diversity in the world of organic farming. GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, take a backseat. Sustainability in every step. Sustainability is at the core of organic farming. From soil conservation to water management, organic farmers take steps to minimize their environmental impact and preserve resources for future generations. The journey from farm to fork. When you choose organic food, you are supporting a journey from the farm to your fork that prioritizes nature, health, and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of organic farming.